Today we're going to learn how to multiply using the area model. In front of me I have the numbers 25 times 24. Now for many students this might be a little bit difficult if they have some difficulties with multiplication. The best way to solve numbers when you are finding the product is to use expanded form. For example, 25 is going to be written as, in expanded form, 20 plus 5. And also, 24 is actually 20 plus 4. Let's go ahead and see how it would look as an area model. We're going to look at the first one. So we're going to try the 20 plus 5. So let me just go ahead and draw this. So I have 20 and I have 5. And down this side, I'm going to have 20 plus 4. So here I have 20 plus 4. I'm going to put multiplication here. And I'm going to start off by saying, what is 2 times 2? Now 2 times 2 is 4. And how many zeros do I have? I have 2 zeros. Okay, my 2 zeros I'm talking about is 1 0 here and 1 0 here, which means I'm going to put 2 zeros there. Next, I'm going to move on to my next number. I'm going to say, what is 20 times 5? But to make it a little easier, I'm going to say, what is 2 times 5? 2 times 5 is 10. Now, how many zeros do we have so far? 5 doesn't have a 0. However, 20 have a 0. How many 0? Just 1 0. So I'm going to go ahead and just put 1 0 here. So I know 20 times 5 is 100. I know 20 times 20 is 400. Next, I'm going to work with my 4. Now I'm going to take 4, I'm going to multiply it by 20, and then I'm also going to multiply it by 5. What is 4 times 2? 4 times 2 is 8. How many zeros do we have? Well, 4 doesn't have any 0, but 20 have 1 0. So I'm going to put 1 0 here. What is 4 times 5? 4 times 5 is 20. Now in my box, I have 400, I have 100, I have 80, and I have 20. My last thing I need to do is I need to combine all of those. We're going to do that in step. I am going to move my board down a little bit so we can add those. I'm just going to put it right under here. And let me just put a different color so we know what exactly we are doing. I'm going to put this green here. Okay. I am going to add, I know if I have 400 and I have 80, that's going to give me 480. Okay, so now I'm going to put 480. Next, I have to add 100 plus 20. I know 100 plus 20 is going to be 120. 120. Now I have to add 480 plus 120. Let's go ahead and do that. I'm going to move this down here and I'm going to write 480. Just gonna look a little silly right in here, plus my 120. Now I have these little watermark here, so I'm going to just move this over here and I'm going to expand my page, and now I am going to add. Okay, now 0 plus 0 is going to be 0. 2 plus 8 is going to be 10. Okay, I put my 0 here and I move my 1 to my hundreds place. Now 1 plus 4 is 5 plus 1 is 6. So that's my answer.